Welcome back, everyone. If you've been looking for a consistent way to grow your Deriv account without spending hours analyzing confusing charts, this video is for you. Today, we are looking at PivotCore.net, a powerful auto trading platform built specifically for Deriv traders. I'm putting this platform to the ultimate test. My plan today is to execute 10 trades using the digit differs strategy, with a target of winning at least 9 of them. That is a 90% success rate. If you've ever struggled with manual trading or emotional decisions, stay tuned, because I'm going to show you how automation can bring the discipline you've been missing. Before we jump into the live trades, let's talk about why I chose PivotCore.net. Most traders fail because of two things: emotions and slow execution. When you trade manually, a split-second delay can be the difference between a win and a loss. PivotCore removes those barriers. It's an automated interface that connects directly to your Deriv API. It's designed to be lightweight, fast, and most importantly, user-friendly. You don't need to be a programmer to use this. Whether you're using a mobile phone or a PC, the platform is optimized to give you the best possible entry points based on real-time market data. Now, let's look at the setup. I'm selecting the digit differs strategy today. For those new to this, we are essentially predicting that the last digit of the price will not be a specific number. While it sounds simple, the secret lies in the prediction and the timing. On PivotCore, I've set my parameters to ensure the bot waits for the right market conditions before entering. This isn't about gambling, it's about probability. I'll show you exactly how I configure my stake and my prediction digit to maximize our safety net. Watching the bot analyze the last digit stats in real time is where you see the true value of PivotCore's technology. All right, the bot is running. Let's watch these 10 trades closely. Trade 1, win. Trade 2, win. Notice how the bot enters the trade immediately after the logic is met. There is no hesitation. Keep narrating the progress. We're now 5 trades in and we haven't seen a single loss yet. The accuracy of the PivotCore algorithm is incredible. Even if the market gets volatile, the bot stays within the rules we set. We just hit trade number 8, another win. Now we're looking for that 9th win to hit our goal. There it is, 9 wins out of 10 trades. This is the kind of consistency that turns a small balance into a significant one over time. Hitting a 90% win rate today wasn't luck, it was the result of a solid strategy powered by a reliable tool. PivotCore.net makes this level of trading accessible to everyone regardless of experience level. If you want to stop guessing and start trading with a plan, I highly recommend checking this out. I've put the link to PivotCore.net in the description below so you can get started right now. Don't forget to test your strategies on a demo account first to find what works best for you. If you found this live session helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a new strategy. Let's dominate the Deriv market together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.